Hello guys, how are you today? It's a good day, it's a beautiful day. Welcome to class, guys. Yeah, my name is Mr. Manuel, and in just a few moments, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your coding environment. We are going to be downloading Python IDLE, and also we're going to be downloading the VS Code, which is what Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so guys, let's not talk too much. Let's get right into it, guys. Come on, let's go. So quickly follow me religiously. Okay, now first thing, I want to download the IDLE. So what I'll just do is just to go to a website. Once you open your Chrome browser, just type python.org. Now you mustn't have a Chrome browser. You can use any browser you have in your computer. Okay, so just type python.org and hit enter, guys. Now let me hit enter. Let's go. Good. Okay, so I'm on this website right now, and if you take a look at all of this right here, I have downloads, I have documentation, and the rest. So in order for me to download this, I'll just put my mouse pointer on downloads. Don't click, just put your mouse pointer on download and go down to where you have download for Windows. Now I'm using Windows, okay, and that is why it just told me that yes, go ahead and download for Windows. So I'll just click on it and automatically it's going to start downloading. Okay, but if you're using a different browser, take for instance a MacBook and a Linux distribution or anyone, what you just need to do is to come down here, click on the downloads, and then look for your operating system over here. You can see you have Mac OS, you have Linux and Windows. Okay, and that is all. I hope that is simple, guys. Good. Next thing we need to do, guys, we need to install it. Okay, we just need to install it. Now if you go to your file manager, my file manager is down here. Okay, if I click on my file manager, I can go to my downloads. Where I have my downloads is where I have all the stuff I downloaded from the internet. So if I click on my download, guys, okay, yeah, there you go. I have Python 3.12. So I'll just double click on this. Once I double click on it, it is going to bring out a pop-up. Good. Can you see that? Install Python 3.12.1 64 bits. I'm using a 64-bit system. Okay, now click on install now. Alright, and then it's going to bring out this. Say, do you want to allow blah blah blah? Yes, we want to allow it. Click on yes. And then we will just wait a moment. It is going to show us some other few stuff, and then we're going to proceed. Okay, yeah. So guys, once this is done, okay, we just follow the prompt, agree, yes, and then create a desktop icon, and then there you have it. Okay, now next thing we want to do is to quickly download our Visual Studio Code, guys. Remember, don't forget that the Python IDLE is the Python Integrated Development Environment, an environment where you can write your codes and run Python code as well. Okay, so we are going to go deeper into that much later. Okay, but for now, just get it downloaded. All right, now let's download the VS Code, which stands for Visual Studio Code. So I'll just create a new tab over here on my screen. I hope you can see my mouse pointer, guys. Okay, good. Now what I'll just type here is very simple. Follow me. code.visualstudio.com/download. Okay, good. And I'll go over to this first website here. Okay, aha, very good. And then voila, I have it over here, guys. If you noticed, this website has these three icons popping out. This is for Windows users. If you're using a window, okay, you can click on this. If you're using a Linux distributor, a Linux distribution, or Ubuntu, you can click on this. If you're using a MacBook, you can click on this. But me, I'm using the Windows, so once I click on this, the download is going to start. Go to your file manager, double click on it, and then install it, and that is all. Now I'm not going to do this because I have already installed it already on my system, okay? But I'm just showing you guys how to do that. All right, I hope that's clear, guys. Okay, welcome back, guys. Now quickly, guys, let's install Pygame on our VS Code. Okay, let's install Pygame. Now I want you guys to pay attention real good. Pay attention closely, okay? Pay attention. Now I'll finish installing my VS Code, which I'll be using for today, and also I've opened it as well. So this is what it looks like. I've created a new file. So if you want to create a new file, just go ahead and click on file and look at it, new file, okay, and then choose Python file, okay, since we are going to be working with Python file, Pygame. Okay, now what you should do next is very simple, guys. Just click on these three dotted icons at the top of your screen. You can see my mouse pointer, and create a new terminal, guys, because we're going to be using the terminal to install our Pygame. Okay, as simple as that. Don't worry, I'm just going to show you guys in less than a minute. We are going to be done with our installation of Pygame, okay, so that we can be able to use our VS Code and create cool games. Trust me, the games will be wonderful. We're going to create snake games, we're going to create dodgeballs, and so many other cool games that we have. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going to do. So over here is our terminal. Yeah, is our terminal, and we're just waiting for it to initialize so that we can start running some simple command, guys. Good. So guys, let's quickly install our Pygame module. Okay, now listen up, listen carefully. One of the reasons why Python is so important, and it is also powerful, guys, is the fact that Python has so many libraries. Okay, Python has in fact a wide range of libraries. Like, the libraries are so much, guys. Now if you ask me what's the library, guys, you guys normally go to school. Okay, you have a library in your school where you can go and read books and stuff like that. Yeah, so that is just the same thing I'm talking about Python libraries. Okay, now the Python library is like a place where you have all those predefined codes. All those predefined codes, same with your school library. All those places they stored and kept all those wonderful books, so that whenever you want to go and read, you just go and get it and read. Okay, you just import it to your decks or to your front and start opening them and going through them. Same thing with Python, guys. Python has a library, and that library is a place where all those predefined codes are stored, so that whenever you need them, you just go ahead and do what? Import it. Now, guys, to install the Pygame library, what you just need to do is very simple. Just come over here and type pip install Pygame, and that is it. And that is what that is all you need to do, guys. Simple. Now hit enter, and then it is going to start doing what? Extracting, and it's going to start downloading my Pygame library. And once I'm done downloading my Pygame library, I can do what? Import it. So as you can see, I already have it installed. So you can see requirements already satisfied, this and that. So I can just go ahead and say import Pygame. Okay, and then I'm not getting any problems at all. You can see I don't have any problems with my code. Okay, yeah, I can just go ahead and run it and it's all good. Okay, so that guys, that's how you can install the Pygame library. Very, very simple. Now guys, if for some reasons you type this pip install command and it did not work, guys, not to worry, don't worry at all, just calm down. We are going to solve that one right now. So what you should just do, in case you have such kind of error, what you should just do is to follow me and type this command real quick. So just go ahead and type curl, okay, curl curl https, okay, https, all right, and then follow me carefully, and then you have bootstrap, okay, bootstrap dot py, oh, I have bootstrap dot py hyper, okay, dot io, all right, slash get, okay, dash pip dot py, okay, now space it, dash o, all right, and then space it again, get dash pip dot py. That is just all you need to do. Okay, that is just all you need to type. Curl https, type this command the same way I have it over here, and then we are going to install pip so that you can be able to install Pygame very, very easily. Okay, that is all. Good. So once you're done hitting this, okay, automatically it will just don't do what, install pip for you. Me, I already have pip, that is why it is showing me this message right here. Okay, don't worry about that. So once you just hit the command, you have it. Now after you have hit the command, what you just need to do next is to run the file, okay, by typing python, okay, python, then the name of the file, which is get dash pip dot py, okay, and then you hit enter. Automatically pip will be installed for you. All right, easy peasy, guys, come on. All right, now after that you can now go ahead and do pip install Pygame, and then it is just going to run it out smoothly for you guys. It's going to install it without any problem. Okay, that is just it. See you guys very soon, and I hope you take good care of yourself. My name is Mr. Emmanuel, okay, Mr. Emmanuel, and I hope to see you guys in the future. Bye.